Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to add friends on Steam for free. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The first step that we have to do is to open any web browser on our device. I'm on my iPhone, so I'm going to open Safari. Now in the search bar, you simply need to type Steam. Make sure you are logged into your Steam account. Now tap on 3 horizontal lines and tap on View Desktop Website. The next step is to zoom in and go to your name. Now go on third option, Friends, and open it. Here you can see all your friends and group. Now, if you want to add a friend, it is necessary to know his or her username. You will search on it in the search bar, and thus you can add it. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.